Seema, NLP, that sounds so technical. I mean, layman like me, उसको जानना है कि NLP है क्या, तो कैसे पता चले? Please tell us more about it.
So our brain is also like a computer. So NLP is actually like the software engineer of the human mind and brain. कि उसको हम reprogram कर सकते हैं every aspect of the human mind.
So how does NLP किसी की भी life में कोई भी issue चल रहा है, पर्सनल चल रहा है, रिलेशनशिप चल रहा है, मनी चल रहा है, हेल्थ चल रहा है, कुछ भी इश्यू चल रहा है, उसको सॉल्व कर सकता है?
यूजुअली लोग क्या करते हैं, उनको चेंज होना होता है. एवरीबडी वांट्स टू चेंज कि आई वांट अ बेटर लाइफ. किसको नहीं चाहिए बेटर लाइफ, राइट? लेकिन दे नो व्हाट दे नीड टू डू कि मुझे एक्सरसाइज करना है, मुझे थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंटली बात करनी है, आई हैव टू गो आउट एंड नेटवर्क, आई हैव टू लर्न टू से नो टू पीपल. दे नो व्हाट टू डू, but they just don't know how to change themselves and how to do it. So NLP actually gives you that how.
NLP and spirituality, are they both same? Because when I was also doing research and मैं देख रही थी, पढ़ रही थी, मुझे काफ़ी कुछ common भी लगा. Though it's a modern technique, but ancient जो हमारा spirituality है, उसके साथ काफ़ी relevance लग रहा है.
End of the day, whether it's spirituality or whether it is NLP, the result that we are looking is the same. We are looking at spiritual evolution, we're looking at emotional evolution, we're looking at people becoming more happy, more abundant, more successful. So you can say that NLP is a toolkit towards spiritual growth. Eventually that is what ends up happening with the person. Lekin you get there faster.
Hello everybody, welcome to Mindset Shift with Amrita Acharya. Have you ever noticed that our nature, our responses to situation, our personality, our thought pattern, everything is based on our past conditioning? अगर मैं आपसे ये कहूँ कि ये जो हमारा नेचर है, हमारी पर्सनालिटी है, उसको टोटली ट्रांसफॉर्म किया जा सकता है. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. It is possible through a very powerful technique or a toolkit called NLP. आज हम बात करने वाले हैं NLP के बारे में. Our guest today is Seema Shenoy Manik. She is India's leading transformation coach, mentor and author. She is specializing into neurosciences of NLP and hypnosis. She is a certified coach and internationally acclaimed master trainer. Let's talk about NLP with Seema. Please welcome Seema Shenoy Manik. Hi Seema, how are you?
Hi Amrita, doing good. Thank you so much for having me here.
Absolute pleasure. NLP के बारे में बहुत सुना है और आज exactly हमें पता चलने वाला है कि NLP क्या है. Congratulations Seema. I mean your book NLP Magic is doing wonders. It's Amazon's best-selling book.
Absolutely.
What is it about?
It's a good feeling.
Yeah.
So it's my life's work basically. All my everything I've learned over the years about NLP. It's a guide to anyone who wants to be introduced to the topic, who feels that they are stuck in any way, or they want to grow. This book is designed in a way that just by reading through, they will be able to experience transformation. So it's like an introduction into the world. By the way, I've got a copy for you here.
Oh, amazing. Thank you so much. That's the book. So this is my copy and I'm going to read it. Grab your copy. For sure, आपको ये लेनी चाहिए. तो as you said कि इससे मुझे basic इसका आइडिया पता चल जाएगा.
काफी एडवांस्ड है.
काफी एडवांस है.
हाँ, काफी एडवांस्ड है. You'll be able to, I believe कि हर चीज में इतना दो कि people should be completely, they should learn.
Yeah.
So you'll be able to experience the whole journey through just the book.
Wow, this looks so exciting and looking forward to this. Thank you so much for this.
I'm so glad. Do take the time and read it.
I will.
And the readers as well.
This is my next one for sure. Thank you so much. Seema, NLP, that sounds so technical. I mean, layman like me, उसको जानना है कि NLP है क्या, तो कैसे पता चले? Please tell us more about it.
So Amrita, when I first heard about NLP many years ago, मुझे लगा rocket science है क्या? What is this?
No wonder.
But I was looking for something in my life that could change my life, right?
Okay.
And I think in the viewers there'll be many people who will be feeling stuck कि कुछ तो दो with which I can change my life and थोड़ा जल्दी fast. तो अगर आपको NLP easily understand करना है तो you look at it like a computer. कैसे एक सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर कंप्यूटर को प्रोग्राम करता है, फिर उसको रीप्रोग्राम करता है, उसको मेंटेन करता है, अगर उसमें कोई वायरसेस आ जाते हैं तो उसको डीबग कर सकते हैं. सो आवर ब्रेन इज ऑल्सो लाइक अ कंप्यूटर. सो NLP इज एक्चुअली लाइक द सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर ऑफ द ह्यूमन माइंड एंड ब्रेन, कि उसको हम रीप्रोग्राम कर सकते हैं, एवरी एस्पेक्ट ऑफ द ह्यूमन माइंड.
And how come you got into NLP? Like you said, you wanted to shift your mind or shift your life rather. How did you start your journey?
तो मेरा जर्नी NLP का इट स्टार्टेड इन अ वेरी डेस्परेट फेज ऑफ माई लाइफ. जब मैं एक अब्यूजिव मैरिज में थी और आई डिडंट नो कि क्या हो रहा है मेरी लाइफ में, एंड आई वाज अ ट्रेनर ऑलरेडी, तो प्रोफेशनली तो आई वाज डूइंग वेरी वेल, बट पर्सनली मुझे पता नहीं था कि क्या हो रहा है. तो मैं बहुत ढूंढी डिफरेंट टूल्स कि लोग मेडिटेशन सीखते हैं, रेकी सीखते हैं, मैंने भी सब सीखा. एज अ ट्रेनर तो मैंने सब कुछ सीखा, ट्रेन भी किया लोगों को, लेकिन कोई भी ऐसा टूल नहीं था कि आई कुड यूज कंप्लीटली टू ट्रांसफॉर्म माई लाइफ. At that time, in this search of mine, I came across NLP. और फर्स्ट टाइम मुझे एक ऐसा टूल मिला कि इतना कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव है कि एवरी एरिया ऑफ माई लाइफ मुझे पता चला कि क्या हो रहा है. आई कुड सी इट मोर क्लियरली. आई कुड यूज द टूल्स एंड स्ट्रैटेजीज ऑफ NLP टू रीप्रोग्राम, टेक सम बोल्ड डिसीजंस इन माई लाइफ, और मैं completely I was able to change my life. And then on, I was able to, train and use it on other people. And of course, it's almost 15 years ago, this story. Wow. So it's been a long journey since then. So that's how I got into it for my own use. But once you benefit from something so much, right, you want to get other people also that benefit. You want to give it to people. So that's how it started.
Seema ji, as the name suggests about this podcast, mindset shift, right? So I think there is a shift in each and every one of our lives, which brings our life totally upside down. हमारी life हो जाती है, and जहाँ पे जैसे आपने बताया that there was something going on in your personal life that got you a major shift, कि अब मुझे कुछ बदलाव लाना है. So how does NLP किसी की भी लाइफ में कोई भी इश्यू चल रहा है, पर्सनल चल रहा है, रिलेशनशिप चल रहा है, मनी चल रहा है, हेल्थ चल रहा है, कुछ भी इश्यू चल रहा है, उसको सॉल्व कर सकता है?
So if you look at NLP, Amrita, it's actually a toolkit. कि किसी के घर पे आप देखो एक टूल किट रहता है, उसमें हैमर, स्पैनर, सॉ, स्क्रू ड्राइवर सब रहते हैं, और जब कोई ज़रूरत पड़ती है तब वो टूल निकाल के आप वो यूज़ कर लेते हो. इफ़ यू वांट टू पुट अ नेल इन अ वॉल, यू विल टेक आउट अ हैमर एंड यू विल पुट अ नेल इन अ वॉल. तो NLP इज़ दैट काइंड ऑफ अ टूल किट कि जिसमें यू हैव टूल्स लाइक हाउ डू यू इन्फ्लुएंस अदर्स, you have tools like how do you understand yourself better, how do you deal with your emotions better, how do you break bad habits, how do you create new habits, और all this at a programming level. Usually लोग क्या करते हैं, उनको चेंज होना होता है, everybody wants to change, कि I want a better life, किसको नहीं चाहिए better life, right? लेकिन दे नो वॉट दे नीड टू डू, कि मुझे एक्सरसाइज करना है, मुझे थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंटली बात करनी है, आई हैव टू गो आउट एंड नेटवर्क, आई हैव टू लर्न टू से नो टू पीपल. दे नो व्हाट टू डू, बट दे जस्ट डोंट नो हाउ टू चेंज देमसेल्व्स एंड हाउ टू डू इट. तो NLP एक्चुअली गिव्स यू दैट हाउ, एंड बिकॉज इट्स अ टूल किट, एक टूल डिफरेंट एरियाज में यूज हो सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू वांट टू एन अवेयरनेस टूल, कि डीपली आपको अवेयर होना है कि व्हाट पैटर्न्स आर स्टॉपिंग मी, तो वो अवेयरनेस आप अपने रिलेशनशिप में भी यूज कर सकते हो. सेम अवेयरनेस टूल यू कैन यूज फॉर योर हेल्थ, दैट become aware about what's stopping you. Same awareness you can use for money or growth or success. So because it's a toolkit, it can be permutation and combination of techniques use करके either one or more areas, or every area of your life you can totally grow using this toolkit.
So I understand that it's not just a one-day job, or not just one program that you attempt and your life will be transformed. It is your daily practice, right?
Absolutely. So after a certain point, it becomes a daily practice. लेकिन जब आप पहले सीखते हो, तो वो आपको सिस्टमैटिकली सीखना पड़ेगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, कोई एक पेंटर, उसको आप पेंट दे दो किसी को भी, अभी मुझे दे दो, इफ आई एम नॉट अ पेंटर, आई विल क्रिएट रबिश, राइट? बट इफ यू गिव इट टू अ पर्सन हु हैज लर्नड हाउ टू डू पेंटिंग, दे विल क्रिएट आर्ट. तो NLP भी ऐसे ही है, पहले आप उसको साइंस की तरह सीखोगे कि हाउ डज इट वर्क, हाउ कैन आई अप्लाई, अंडरस्टैंड योरसेल्फ, फिर टेक्निक एक एक करके आप सीख के अप्लाई करोगे. लेकिन बाद में वो आर्ट बन जाता है कि यू कैन यूज इट इन एनी एरिया, राइट? तो पहले तो आपको सिस्टमैटिकली सीखना पड़ेगा, बट इट इज वर्थ इट, बिकॉज आप सोचो तो सबके पास हर एरिया में टूल किट है. यू आपके ऑफिस में टूल्स है, आपके घर में, किचन में, हर चीज में टूल किट है. तो वाई नॉट विद आवरसेल्व्स? why are we depending on only simple things like only meditation or only energy healing जो हर एरिया में काम नहीं करते. You need a toolkit के हर एरिया में काम करे, right?
Yeah. And if you talk about spirituality, जैसे मैंने खुद काफ़ी सारे programs attempt किए हैं, advanced programs भी किए हुए हैं, and meditation is actually a very powerful tool. But at the same time, as you said, कि किसी को मेडिटेशन अच्छे से प्रॉपर करना आता है या नहीं, या कैसे कर रहे हैं, उस पर भी बहुत सारा डिपेंड होता है.
Very true.
और जब आप मेडिटेट करते हो, दैट इट्स एन इनवर्ड जर्नी, राइट?
True.
सो NLP and spirituality, are they both same? Because when I was also doing research and मैं देख रही थी, पढ़ रही थी, मुझे काफ़ी कुछ कॉमन भी लगा. दो इट्स अ मॉडर्न टेक्निक, बट एंशिएंट जो हमारा स्पिरिचुअलिटी है उसके साथ काफ़ी रेलेवेंस लग रहा है.
Very true, because NLP क्या है? NLP is just some people took the effort to observe human behavior. कुछ लोगों ने, जो क्रिएटर्स थे NLP के ऑलमोस्ट 40 years ago, उन्होंने लोगों को ऑब्जर्व किया कि हाउ डू पीपल बिहेव, हाउ डू दे क्रिएट हैबिट्स, हाउ डू दे ब्रेक हैबिट्स, हाउ डू दे लर्न न्यू थिंग्स, हाउ कैन दे लर्न फास्टर, हाउ कैन दे चेंज अ बिलीफ सिस्टम. तो उन्होंने मॉडलिंग पे, ऑलरेडी जो लोग हैं मॉडलिंग पे वो बेस किया. तो NLP कुछ एक, दो इट इज़ अ वेरी पावरफुल साइंटिफिक अप्रोच टू रिप्रोग्रामिंग योर माइंड, इट इज़ एक्चुअली ऑब्जर्विंग ह्यूमन बिहेवियर, एंड दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आवर स्क्रिप्चर्स हैव आल्सो डन. तो मैं भगवत गीता पढ़ती हूँ और आई हैव सीन सो मेनी थिंग्स इन को रिलेशन. End of the day, whether it's spirituality or whether it is NLP, the result that we are looking is the same. We are looking at spiritual evolution, we are looking at emotional evolution, we are looking at people becoming more happy, more abundant, more successful. So you can say that NLP is a toolkit towards spiritual growth. Eventually that is what ends up happening with the person. Lekin you get there faster.
Right. Seema, you train coaches, trainers, influencers. What about a common man who is probably doing a 9-to-5 job or maybe a homemaker? Does NLP help them?
Absolutely.
Okay.
And I train them as well. It's not like I only train coaches. So in my journey, I started with training individuals, not the corporates. Yes, we do corporate programs also, but mainly we train individuals through our programs and seminars because people are really stuck. So Amrita, the reason I do what I do is because I have seen that pain. I've been in a place where I know how it feels to be helpless, to be stuck, to not know what to do, what will I do tomorrow, how to live through. People give advices कि ये करो, वो करो, meditate करो, but वो कर पा रहा है कि नहीं बंदा, उसके लाइफ में क्या हो रहा है, right? People don't understand that basic thing. So people need some powerful hand holding. तो इसलिए हम लोग दोनों करते हैं. हम लोग इंडिविजुअल्स को भी हेल्प करते हैं who are in the depths of depression or in really difficult phases, and we also help people who are in a place where they want to grow and they want to transform others, because वो natural transition है. Anybody who sees powerful transformation in their life, right, 90% of people, they then want to go and help other people. तो इसलिए हम लोग दोनों फेजेस में करते हैं कि पहले यू ट्रांसफॉर्म द इंडिविजुअल एंड देन यू हेल्प दैट इंडिविजुअल ट्रांसफॉर्म मेनी मोर पीपल. तो वो एक तरह का डोमिनो इफेक्ट, रिपल इफेक्ट जैसे, दैट इज आवर एम कि वी शुड टच अ मिलियन लाइव्स थ्रू दिस काइंड ऑफ अ डोमिनो इफेक्ट. इसीलिए हम लोग कोचेस को भी ट्रेन करते हैं, मेंटर करते हैं, बिकॉज दे विल गो एंड दे विल ट्रांसफॉर्म अनदर 100,000 पीपल इन देयर लाइफ, राइट?
सीमा, आजकल हम देखते हैं ना कि एंजाइटी हो रहे हैं, एंगर इश्यूज़ है, लोगों को तरह तरह के नेगेटिव इमोशंस आ रहे हैं. तो सबसे कॉमन जो एक इश्यू हम फेस कर रहे हैं, कोई भी रिलेशनशिप हो, अपने प्रोफेशनल वर्ल्ड में भी देखो, तो रिस्पॉन्स, टॉलरेंस एक तो सबका कम हो चुका है. तो जो रिस्पॉन्स टू सर्टेन थिंग्स जो है ना, उसको काबू में कैसे किया जाए? Does NLP help? I mean, can you share how to achieve that?
Yeah, so you have pointed it perfectly, Amrita, कि one of the biggest problems people have कि they don't have self-control.
Yeah.
कि वो चाहते हैं कि I should respond properly, I should think and respond, I should, and some situations ऐसे हैं कि somebody says something, people want to give it back. कि मुझे बोलना है लेकिन बोल नहीं पाते. उस मोमेंट में they keep quiet and they say, अरे यार काश मैंने बोल दिया होता, it would have been so nice. The point is that you should be able to say what you want to say. वो control should be with us, right? So that is the difference between reaction and response. तो वो NLP से कर सकते हैं. उसमें simplest one of the techniques is आप mindful हो जाओ. In NLP we call it thinking strategies.
Okay.
that you become mindful of what's happening in your head. अभी रिएक्शन का मतलब क्या है? केमिकल रिएक्शन in a moment, in a heartbeat, right? तो अगर you expand that timeline in your head,
okay,
then you have a choice to intervene and change it. So how can you do that? There are three possible things that can be happening in anybody's head why they are reacting. लोगों को लगता है नहीं ऐसे ही हो गया, ऐसे ही कुछ नहीं होता. It happens because some formula is happening in your head. तो 3 चीजें. एक, it's called as visual, कि आपके दिमाग में कुछ visual आ रहा है. You're seeing something. कि हस्बैंड ने बोला अरे खाने में सॉल्ट नहीं है, तो वाइफ इज बैंगिंग द सॉल्ट एंड गोइंग ले लो.
हाँ,
no, ऐसे क्यों किया उसने? बिकॉज उसके इन हर माइंड शी सॉ विजुअल कि पूरे दिन कैसे उसने मेहनत की, कैसे मैंने प्यार से खाना पकाया, तो वो विजुअल्स आ रहे हैं दिमाग में. दैट मेक्स हर रिएक्ट. और सेकेंड इज ऑडिटरी. तो वो खुद से कुछ बोल रही है या कुछ सोच रही है. शी इज सेइंग अगेन यू आर फाइंडिंग फॉल्ट, nothing I do is enough. And that is making her react.
Yeah.
So there is internal visual, which is what are you seeing, internal auditory, what are you saying to yourself, and internal kinesthetic, which is what are you feeling. Agar a person becomes mindful about these 3 things, कि just before कुछ होता है and before you react, you're able to give little time and think, what am I seeing? What am I saying to myself? And what am I feeling? Then you can make a change. Then she can see something else, कि वो देख सकती है कि यार बेचारा वो ऑफिस में क्या struggle he might have faced, he might have had a difficulty, that is why it's like this. और she can change her self talk and she can say यार मुझे झगड़ा नहीं करना आज. I don't, in her head, rather than indulging in cooking that story, she can say I want peace of mind, Baba, I don't want to get into all this, so let me not bother about salt.
So whatever helps her individually to calm her down, to take it positively, she has to set it.
Yes, not necessarily positively, कि उनको outcome क्या चाहिए. अगर उस दिन उनको assertive होना है, then she can choose that.
Okay.
लेकिन उस टाइम पे अगर peace of mind is priority to her, she can choose that. Point is that this one technique gives you a lot of self control. कि आप choose कर सकते हो whether to react or to respond.
I have also seen like NLP जो trainers होते हैं वो कुछ hand movements और कुछ visualization और there's some technique that you step inside और इस तरह के कुछ movements भी सिखाते हैं.
Absolutely.
To react to things or respond to things rather.
Absolutely.
ये सब क्या होता है? How does that connect with your responses?
वो सब science है of the mind. Just the way a computer is programmed, our mind is also programmed in certain ways. We save information in our mind in certain ways. कुछ भी ऐसे ही नहीं होता. Belief systems है, values है, there are rules, there are priorities, likes, dislikes. बहुत सारे हमारे templates है, filters है. And based on that we react. तो NLP gives tools like powerful visualizations. And these are not simple visualization कि आपने किसी को relax करा दिया. Not only that much, it's literally जाके दिमाग के अंदर वो कैसे save करते हैं उसको बदल सकते हैं. So what you're mentioning, it's called a technique known as circle of excellence.
Okay.
There's that technique. Then are techniques like swish pattern. In my YouTube channel, there are many techniques that one can learn. Or there's flip pattern जो आपका identity change करेगा. किसी को लगता है I am not all that good, I don't look good. If they have such things, they can change that and start feeling good about themselves.
Okay.
So these are all techniques जो बाहर से देखते हैं उनको लगता है कि क्या हो रहा है, लेकिन when you look at it systematically, right, it's just like reprogramming a computer. Like coding करते हैं literally to change a person. उसके लिए ये सब tools है.
Right. Coming to hypnosis.
Yeah.
Is it the way you see in the movies जहाँ पे वो एक crystal ball लगा के आपके सामने रख के ऐसे left right दिखाते हैं and then they take you in the past and then they make you things done like आप बोलोगे वो करेंगे कि अब सो रही है, तुम्हें नींद आ रही है. Do you do that actually?
And the best part is that मैं कौन हूँ, मैं कहाँ हूँ,
मैं कहाँ हूँ. That thing.
See that is one part of hypnosis. That's one style of hypnosis. वो भी लोग करते हैं. मुझे खुद अपने लाइफ में twice I've been hypnotized by people. Okay, so मेरा experience hypnosis का बहुत बुरा था. I had a very bad experience initially. But after I became a coach, trainer, I transformed my life and then I realized कि इतना powerful tool है कि you can get into somebody's subconscious. तो इसको positively भी use कर सकते हैं, right? But the form of hypnosis that we use in combination with NLP, जो हम अपने coaches को सिखाते हैं, that is a different hypnosis. That is a conversational hypnosis. And if you see any good influencer, great influencer in this world, think of a Priyanka Chopra, I think of a Steve Jobs or an Oprah, who are very good in moving people. They all use conversational hypnosis. उनको पता है कि how you can put your client or person you're talking to in a state of trance. They know how to hook people in a way that उनका subconscious mind open हो जाए and you can go make changes within the subconscious mind. So this hypnosis is not the same. You're not doing anything against the person. You're actually helping that person make changes in their subconscious faster. You get it? So it becomes a tool for transformation. And it is very different from your hypnotherapy also. It's not only about sleeping and relax kiya and going into that. In a sitting up, completely active state also you can get into people's subconscious.
Okay. So do you think that these magicians, like the magicians, they use these techniques?
Yes.
Is it that?
Yes, absolutely. Magicians, street magicians, hypnotists, illusionists, all of them use hypnosis. And it's not the type of hypnosis where people will completely forget everything. It's just that they get hooked onto you. They get so it makes a person very charismatic and very influential.
Oh.
That's the objective.
Okay. तो ऐसा कोई magic नहीं होता, but of course there is no magic, but actually it's a trick, a very powerful trick.
It's a strategy. It's a tool.
Okay. There's something called autoimmune disease that we all know, and हम ज़्यादातर देख रहे हैं टाइम के साथ ये सब सारी चीज़ें ज़्यादा उभर के आ रही है. I don't know, due to the lifestyle change or due to lot of other aspects. But NLP से क्या autoimmune disease को treat किया जा सकता है?
Along with looking at holistic therapy, okay, there can be many reasons of an autoimmune disease or any disease, and one of the key reasons will usually be psychosomatic or mental reasons. One of the key reasons. Apart from that, the food you eat, the pollution that you're environment, those are also there, right? But when you fix the psychosomatic reason, the healing becomes a lot faster. So I had this client who had come into our program for normal reasons, right? So she just wanted to transform, use it on other people, an image consultant lady. And then she revealed to me during the program that she has multiple sclerosis, which is a very, very serious autoimmune condition, which over a period of time, the entire nervous system gets compromised, right? And वो मेरे से पूछी कि सीमा, can you cure me, can you heal me? तो मैंने कहा let's have a conversation, let's talk and let's see what is happening. तो when I had a conversation with her, deep rooted, वो subconscious में जाके देखा, then we realized that she had a lot of patterns within her subconscious mind based on a previous relationship. She was carrying a lot of guilt, she was carrying a lot of trauma from that, she was not able to forgive herself, she felt she has done bad to somebody. And because of that, she was able to actually tell me in her visualizations that that is what is causing this disease. तो मैंने उसके साथ काफ़ी processes किए to remove that psychosomatic reason. So she could actually deep-rooted subconscious में जाके उसको forgive किया. Then she was able to let go of the guilt. She was able to पूरा breakthrough. She started crying and all that happened, right? 3 months after that, she called me saying her doctor had given her only 8 years to live. You won't live beyond 8 years, right? Hale and healthy looking young ladies, my age, right? 3 months later, she called me to tell me that Seema, first time in 8 years, her lesions started reducing, right? And within 1 year, she went on remission, and she had to go. She could go off her steroids.
Wow.
So it was for me also, it was such a shocking transformation that I was like, wow, this really works, because we don't know what is causing these diseases. So whether it is allergies or it is addictions, whether it is any disease, along with holistic, one must not only rely on this. Of course, you should do all the other things, but along with that, one of the mental aspect is critical. Because people who go through any such disease, like I had allergy, a lot of allergy, and nobody knew for what I was getting it. But I was able to completely cure myself. I had it 6 months ago, suffering. Within 6 months now, it's completely gone, because I did a lot of deep-rooted work. Right. What was causing that allergy? What was causing that irritation within me? Once I cured that, I was able to completely come out of that. So not just autoimmune, any disease, you can work on the mental aspect, which will then help you get cured physically as well.
Or disease like cancer, मुझे लग रहा है it has direct connect with your cells.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
मुझे लग रहा है कि mentally ये जो आपकी healing हो रही है, it can definitely reflect.
Yes, it
आपकी
does.
जो थेरापी चल रही है, आपकी जो भी कैंसर की ट्रीटमेंट चल रही है, उस पे काफी असर हो रहा होगा इसका.
Absolutely, because cancer happens because of long-term emotions within the body, whether it's resentment or anger or guilt. इसकी वजह से it gets, along with other things like we always say, it gets done. It gets created within the body. So along with your treatment, if the person can dissolve those old patterns, old traumas, old things from a very deep-rooted level, superficially nahi ho sakta, it has to be from a deep-rooted level. Then I've also had clients who have been able to go into remission with cancer also.
Oh, yeah, that's fabulous. So Seema, I understand that there are tools, there are techniques, but can NLP actually change somebody, like completely? जैसे मैं चाहती हूँ कि आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विथ व्हाट आई एम फ्रेंकली, बट जैसे मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं ऐसी बनूँ, या इफ आई वांट टू चेंज माई सेल्फ एंड बी समबडी, आई मीन नॉट फिजिकली लाइक लुक वाइज और एनीथिंग, बट माई पर्सनैलिटी, इज इट पॉसिबल?
It depends on what you want. NLP is a tool which will help you change your nature. For example, it will change what you believe. It will change what you feel about yourself. It will change what you feel about your life. It will change your habits, your emotions. And change not because simply change hona hai, like you said. It's because you want to be a certain way, because that's good for you. Okay?
Right.
Not whether it's I should do it. सब लोग बोलते हैं कि मैं I should change. Not for that reason, because आपको deep rooted change होना है. So there is two aspects. One is called as programming, and one is called as conditioning. तो जैसे आप अगर एक कंप्यूटर को रीप्रोग्राम करो, 5-6 महीने बाद अगेन इट विल गैदर ओल्ड डेटा, वो फिर से स्लो हो जाएगा ना. तो इट्स यू प्रोग्राम फॉर वंस. हमारे प्रोग्राम्स में भी हेल्प पीपल रीप्रोग्राम. लाइफ टाइम का जो प्रोग्रामिंग उनका जो उनको स्टॉप कर रहा है, वो रीप्रोग्राम हो जाता है एक टाइम के लिए. एंड दे लर्न ऑल द टूल्स एंड स्ट्रैटेजीज एंड एवरीथिंग. बट उसके बाद दे हैव टू प्रैक्टिस, right? And it's very easy to practice also, day to day, as and when उनको जो anything that go, it's like आपके कंप्यूटर में अगर वायरस आ गया तो उसको एंटीवायरस स्कैन you will run and it will become all right. So similarly, you program once and then you condition. So with programming, I have seen some amazing transformations in people. You know, people who are very nervous or shy or believe themselves to be introverts can become confident and strong, and they go out and start taking action. People who hate networking will go out and suddenly be networking and be happy with themselves, right? People who don't believe they can do anything much are suddenly going out, starting businesses and helping other people. So it will help you. Changing is not a good idea, but like you said, if you have a role model and you want to become, yes, it does help you change a lot, but I believe one must always retain the individuality.
Of course.
So as long as you love yourself, you maintain your individuality, then you can really change and become who you want to become.
Right. So what I get from this is, as you can actually transform your personality in a much positive direction. So what about the youngsters, probably in the colleges or maybe for their higher university programs? They have a lot of educational based issues to solve, right? जैसे public speaking है, या फिर presentation देना है, एग्जाम में कैसे करना है, इंटरव्यूज कैसे क्लियर करने हैं, इस तरह के टास्क उनको रेगुलर बेसिस पे रहते हैं उस वक्त when they are studying. मेमोराइज करना है. Does NLP help them also, students? I
sometimes tell people that I wish people learn this at a younger age only. Like my son, who is now 14, he started learning NLP since he was 8. Of course, he had the privilege, मेरे हर workshop में बैठता था. Started learning from 8. So today he understands everything, कि emotions कैसे manage करते हैं. If somebody is behaving oddly, he doesn't think anything. He'll say, "Mummy, they're behaving," because he understands their patterns. तो ये skills ideally should be taught to children, teenagers, so that they can. These are life skills. कहीं पे सिखाते नहीं है. They are expected to do so much, but poor things, they don't know how to do it. So the younger the better, the sooner the better. जब तक उनको समझ आ जाए, from that age, like 8 or 9, they should start learning NLP.
You're right, because the thought patterns, हमारी personality, हमारा जो भी behavior या nature है, it's all based on our past conditioning.
Yes.
And the moment we realize that, because I don't understand NLP, but one thing I've realized or maybe observed in my own life and through my experiences, that everybody's past conditioning is different.
Very true.
So they are going to behave the way they have been, right? Through their past conditioning, through their parents बोले, society बोले, education बोले, या जो भी उनके surrounding जो भी factors थे, उससे जो भी conditioning हुई है वैसे. So whenever I get any kind of crisis in relationship or anything, that somebody is not behaving the way he or she should be, I just think about it. Okay, the past conditioning is wrong.
So true. And
I don't know how that technique helped. NLP helped, but this is my own
no,
made
it's a
technique.
very smart thing to do, because end of the day at least you are giving them benefit of doubt, isn't it? तो like you said कि अगर बच्चों को सिखा दो तो उनका वो नेगेटिव प्रोग्रामिंग होगा ही नहीं. They will not go through all the difficulty कि हम लोग की उम्र में क्या हो गया अभी उसको रिप्रोग्राम करना पड़ता है. The earlier you teach them, वो होगा ही नहीं. They will be more sorted as people.
You can actually stop the generational traumas and that legacy जो आप forward करते जा रहे हो, parents, grandparents to parents to kids.
Well said.
उसको वहाँ पे ही stop किया जाए, the future would be much different and much positive.
ज़्यादा easily cope कर पाते हैं with life.
हाँ, of course. And especially in today's world, जहाँ पे digital screen time, ये सारा इतना ओवरऑल अपनी लाइफ पे असर कर रहा है, स्पेशली यंगस्टर्स, टीनेज, यू आर अ मॉम ऑफ टीन योरसेल्फ, सो यू नो इट बेटर. सो
एब्सोल्युटली
इस पे भी आई एम श्योर देयर इज समथिंग फॉर एनएलपी जहाँ पे
हाउ टू डील विद एडिक्शंस, हाउ टू stay focused in a certain area, how to learn better, all of this, because like I said, it's a toolkit, right? So the application is every single place.
Right. So हम कभी भी रिलेशनशिप में होते हैं ना, तो हम हमेशा चाहते हैं कि हमारा पार्टनर है ना, या फिर हमारे पेरेंट्स हैं, या फिर हमारे बच्चे हैं, वो हमारे जैसे हो जाए, वो बदल जाए. हम हमेशा ट्राई करते हैं दैट आवर पार्टनर शुड थिंक दिस वे.
ट्रू.
आई मीन उसको बदलना चाहिए. I wouldn't agree to that, frankly, कि बदलना नहीं चाहिए. आपके जैसे ही सब होंगे तो there would be more clashes, and everybody is uniquely different. But if so, if you want to change your partner thinking pattern, is it possible?
Yeah, I think sometimes you do need to change people, because there are people who are going through abusive relationships or narcissistic relationships. If not to change the person, at least you need to know how to cope with those people. बट NLP में 2 टाइप के टूल्स है, लाइक आई सेड, एक खुद को चेंज करने का, दूसरा टूल इन विच यू कैन इन्फ्लुएंस अदर पीपल टू चेंज. तो वंस यू कैन रीड के व्हाई इज माई हस्बैंड बिहेविंग द वे इज बिहेविंग, और व्हाई इज माई चाइल्ड रेजिस्टिंग सो मच, और व्हाई इज माई बॉस गिविंग मी सो मच डिफिकल्टी. इफ यू कैन रीड दैट, देन यूजिंग द टूल्स ऑफ NLP सबकॉन्शियसली आप उनको इन्फ्लुएंस कर सकते हो टू चेंज.
ओके. So it is again a technique, influence कैसे करोगे और उसका behavior the way you want, desired result आप लेकर आओगे.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Like anybody can use these tools and learn NLP?
It is actually quite easy to learn. Because sounds complex, but उसका objective ही ये है कि people can apply it to their life. It is the most practical science I've come across. Like I said, when I was going through an abusive relationship earlier, I learned so many things, right? But NLP वो एक ही चीज़ थी जो इतना practical था, इतना easy था that I could learn immediately and I could start seeing results immediately. So it's only that a person has to make up their mind कि हाँ, I want to go to the next level in my life. Once they make that decision, then learning it step by step, हर चीज़ सीख सकते हैं. सिर्फ उसको step by step learn करो तो you can learn and apply.
Awesome. So Seema, thank you so much for such an enriching session.
Thank you.
आज NLP के बारे में हमने इतना कुछ जाना है, इतना कुछ डिस्कस किया है from the master herself. And thank you so much for sharing all these details. I'm thrilled to join your program.
Honestly, Amrita, I am happy to be here because this is a great opportunity for us also to reach more people. So whoever is watching, I think anybody who is feeling stuck in any area in their life, or they want to grow and they want to learn the tools, they must consider learning NLP. So if you want to know more about it, you can just get into my YouTube channel, which is in my name, Seema Shenoy Manek. Go there, watch some videos, get to know more about it. And of course, we do longer programs and workshops for individuals. We do it for coaches as well. So you'll get to know everything over there. But at least get started, start learning.
Yes, it's just a one step.
Absolutely, just take that one step to change your life.
Thank you so much, Seema.
Most welcome. Thank you for having me here.
Pleasure.